Hi, welcome back, my dear student. This is Edwin again. Now, on this lecture here, I'm going to show you a really cool functionality if you already haven't figured it out. Now, even if we are logged in, we can still see this login form right now. It would be nice that if we log into our CMS and we come back to this page, it will display something like logged in with a username and a little button that we can log out, right? It would be nice. So let me show you what we are creating in this lecture. Something like this. We log in, we go back there, you can see that it says logged in as Rico. So it will display the username and it will give you a little logout button. All right, so that's what we're building. So if you're ready to build this, let's get to it. Now, the first thing that you should be doing right now is opening your editor because we are going to be creating this. All right, so go to your sidebar because that's where our code will be, right here. All right, includes and then sidebar. Are you ready? All right, so the first thing that we need to do is detect to see if some user role was actually set. We know that if we log in, the user role, the session user role is going to be set, right? So that's the way that we know that we are logged in, right? So we're gonna open some PHP tag and I'm gonna use a shorthand version of the if statement. All right, this shorthand version is like this with a colon. So your if with your parentheses like this. Then we're gonna end it up right here. So we can say end if, and you see me using this many times. And I'm going to put just a semicolon there because that means we're done with this command. All right, so it's just cleaner to do it this way. And then we are going to also create an else statement, and we do it like this with a colon. That means that we can still write more commands here, right? All right, perfect. So here we're going to use the function isSet just to check if the session user role is set. Right here like this, right? And then if it's set, we want to display something. What we are going to be displaying is something, it could be anything you want. I'm just going to display a HR and I'm going to say, you know what? Logged in as, and I'm going to put some more PHP tags here because I'm going to be echoing something. Echo. What do you think we are going to be echoing here? Well, we can echo whatever we want, but I'm going to be echoing the username like this. All right, that's very clean, very nice. If you're following me, you're doing great. So in the else statement, that means that we are not logged in, right? If this is not set, we're not logged in and we can display whatever we want. But of course, it would be nice to display this whole form right here. So I'm going to cut that out and I'm going to paste it in here. All right. So I'm going to fix this a little bit. Like that. You can go ahead and play around with it a little bit more and fix it up however you want. All right. Anyway, let's go and check this out real quick. So let's refresh. Nothing here. Let's log in. And save your file, please. Enter. We go back. And we can see that it says logged in as Rico. So it's beautifully working. Let's go back and create that button there. So we can create a button right below here. That logout button, right? So let's write a class here for this in Bootstrap. btn.btn-primary and tab because I'm using Emmet. And the link is going to be includes to the logout.php page, which is right here. Logout, you see it? We need to go to this folder right here because this is getting included from the index. All right, so includes logout.php, and then here we can write whatever we want. I'm just gonna write logout like this. Save. Enter, and now you have a beautiful button here that when you click on it, is going to log you out. So you can go to admin, and you can do this same thing for admin. All right. You might not want to show admin when you're logged in or something like that, or whatever you want. You can use this functionality here to show different pages or different sections of your CMS depending if you're logged in or logged out. All right, so that's going to help you extend your application to do better things. Thank you so much, guys, and I love your support. Thank you for those that always give reviews and take the time for that. I really appreciate that. It really helps all the students find out about the course, and you guys are awesome. Seriously. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lectures.